guys, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and today, and Planner Perfect Meals, and today I'm starting a 30-day challenge for raw vegan, so it's a raw vegan 30-day challenge, and I have done already some different meals. I'd love to take you through my journey. This is a great way to lose weight, feel great, and see what truly cleansing the body of all of that other stuff and adding fruits and vegetables and raw where all the enzymes are alive, the food is alive, and how that makes you feel. I've been raw vegan before, and this really just makes you feel so good and so full of energy, and you just drop weight so effortlessly as well. So what I'm gonna do for my smoothie is I'm gonna add 1 whole banana, and this is my lunch. So 1 banana. I have some frozen strawberries, so I'm adding just a big handful, a little over a cup. I have some, this is a vegetable powder. You can do that or add greens. I've done both. So this is a teaspoon, so I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. So 3 teaspoons. Flaxseed here, I have flaxseed meal. I'm gonna add a teaspoon. And I have some gojo berry powder, which nutrient dense and will add some amazing flavor. I have 2 dates to sweeten it. Obsessed with dates right now, totally obsessed. And now I'm gonna add my almond milk. Just enough to cover and blend this up.
'Cause I can run